Hey dolls and gents, I am back with a new hair tutorial for you guys. Today I'm going to show you how I got bone straight hair. This is straight hair from Today Only, but as y'all know, straight hair isn't bone straight after you wash it. So you definitely have to blow dry it, you have to straighten it, you have to use the right products to get that bad boy to lay down. I made a lace closure wig out of Today Only Brazilian straight hair extensions. I am rocking 4 bundles plus a lace closure. I believe I have in 28, 26, 24, 22 plus a 20-inch lace closure. Y'all know I have been obsessed with lace closures lately. You cannot get me to put on a lace frontal these days, okay? I probably will go back to the lace frontals, not even gonna lie, but let's be honest, lace closure wigs are so low maintenance and I just have been enjoying them because I can throw them on and off and I don't have to worry about all the hassle. Also, I haven't had straight hair extensions in a while. Straight hair is the most low maintenance texture you can get. This hair does still hold a curl though, because when it's wet, it does have a slight wave to it. So you can definitely curl this hair, or you can make it bone straight like I did today, and it looks absolutely gorgeous. Bone straight. I have been rocking this hair for a week now and I'm obsessed. So I did install this wig today with the Got To Be Glue method. I show you how I do it. If you want a step-by-step on how I do this method, I will link a card up top for you guys because this is gonna just speed through it. It's a lace closure wig, so it's not much to cover. It's just like right here, but I definitely wanted it to be adhered down today so that when I straightened the wig on camera, it wasn't sliding or anything crazy. Also, before we get into the tutorial, the main thing that you need is a bomb flat iron. I'm not exactly sure of the name of this one, but I will link it down below for you guys. This flat iron is the bomb. I used it on 450 degrees. One pass and you're good to go. It took me a total of like 15 minutes to straighten this hair, and this is 28-inch hair, so you already know how that goes. The luster of this hair is really gorgeous. It's like a medium to high luster, but it looks really nice. Like, it reminds me of my hair when I relaxed it back in the day and I did like a wrap and it was super bone straight, but it still is flowy. Like, do y'all see how flowy this hair is? This is exactly what you want in straight hair. At least this is exactly what I want when I have straight hair. If you're interested in checking out these hair extensions, definitely check the website down below and it will take you straight to Today's Only website. If I have a discount code, I will also link that down below for you guys. And if you want to see how I got this bone straight hair, you already know what to do. Stay tuned, guys.
You wanna know how I got so dope, losing my control. Now you wanna know why I got so cold, got me feeling old. You wanna know how I got so dope, losing my control. You wanna know why I got so cold, got me feeling old. Oh, yeah. Late night. We throwed up in my Benz like going 75. All my friends, yeah, they out there living this life. See my mama happy now cause I just bought her this house. I'm balling it out, living this life. I'm feeling this hype. Ooh, I'm flexing with my doobie in my pool. Smoking on that shit, it makes me cool. Drinking that tequila, make cool. You wanna know how I got so dope, losing my control. Now you wanna know why I got so cold, got me feeling old. You wanna know how I got so dope, losing my control. You wanna know why I got so cold, got me feeling old. Oh, yeah. I'm living this life, I'm feeling this hype, I'm doing it right, yeah. Oh, yeah. I'm living this life, I'm feeling this hype, I'm doing it right, yeah. Whoa, I'm living this life, I'm feeling this hype, I'm doing it right, yeah, 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 oh, living this life, in this hype, doing it right, yeah.
I'm always one step behind, wishing I could read your mind, but I'm ready, yeah, never ready. I wish I could have made it stop the first time that you stood me up. I wasn't ready, yeah, never ready. Like a forbidden fruit, I'm still craving for, I'm still wanting more, yeah. I know just what to do, but still I want all of you. Oh please, just give my heart a break. It's more than I can take. First you say you love me and you promise you will change. Suddenly you're gone, always on the run, playing with my feelings and you do it just for fun. Yeah, just for fun. Yeah. Are you ever sorry? Tell me what's your deal. Do you ever wonder how I really feel? Every time you turn your back, I wish I was done with that. Many times I try to start all over. Oh, please, give my heart a break. More than I can take. First you say you love me and you promise you will change. Suddenly you're gone, always on the run, playing with my feelings and you do it just for fun.
As you can see, it was a huge difference after I straightened the hair. You can definitely blow dry straight hair and keep it in that state for like more texture, but if you're going for that bone straight look, you still have to straighten straight hair. Like in order to get that bone straight and like this flow, yes. Use a good flat iron, make sure that you deep condition your hair really well. Apply very minimal product. I did apply a serum to the hair, but I applied just a dime size to the full side of the hair just to keep the frizz down, but not weigh the hair down because you do not want to weigh this hair down. That's going to get rid of the flowiness. If y'all have been enjoying my latest hair tutorials, definitely give your girl a big thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, click that subscribe button. It's free. Be sure to hit that bell so you're notified as soon as I post a new video, and I will catch y'all in my next one. Bye.